Most drivers think they're fully covered with just a front-facing dash cam, but did you know that adding a rear camera can actually prevent blind spot mishaps and catch incidents you might never see coming? Welcome to Autovated, where we break down car tech so you can drive smarter. And today we're looking at the Vantrue N5 1080p adjustable rear camera. This rear camera is designed to pair seamlessly with the Vantrue N5 front dash cam, turning your setup into a full 360-degree monitoring system. It shoots in 1080p at 30 frames per second, giving a crisp, clear view of what's happening behind your vehicle. With a 165 degrees wide-angle lens, it covers 4 lanes of traffic, and thanks to advanced STARVIS technology, it keeps the image sharp even in low-light conditions. Its adjustable design lets you fine-tune the camera angle for your exact vehicle setup, and it's compatible with a wide range of cars: SUVs, pickups, sedans, minivans, and more. I've gone through expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and comparisons to break this product down for you. Let's talk features. First, the 1080p resolution and wide-angle lens mean you get a detailed, comprehensive view of the rear roadway. For safety, this captures sudden movement, giving you a heads-up before any close calls. Second, the STARVIS low-light sensor ensures nighttime driving isn't a guessing game. Colors stay accurate, and you can spot pedestrians or obstacles clearly. Third, installation is straightforward. Just plug it into your existing N5 setup and adjust the camera to your preferred angle. That ease of use translates into real-world convenience, especially for people juggling busy commutes or tight parking spots. Pros: the video quality is sharp and reliable day or night. The wide-angle lens reduces blind spots, and installation is quick with adjustable positioning. Cons: it only works with the Vantrue N5 front camera, so it's not a standalone option, and some users note that cable routing can be tricky in certain vehicles. In terms of value, it's fairly priced for a rear camera that actually delivers 1080p clarity and wide coverage. Compared to similar rear camera options from competitors like Rexing or Garmin, the Vantrue N5 rear camera excels in low-light performance due to STARVIS technology, though others may offer slightly more flexible mounting options. If night visibility is your priority, the N5's rear camera is hard to beat. For daily commuters, families, or anyone parking in tight spaces, this camera adds peace of mind. Performance drivers, or those who want a standalone rear camera, might look elsewhere. If this breakdown is helping you feel a little safer on the road, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss the gear that keeps your drive protected. Overall, strong option. If you value comprehensive rear visibility and nighttime safety, the Vantrue N5 rear camera is one of the stronger choices in its class. For those on a tighter budget, consider simpler rear camera models, but keep in mind they may lack the STARVIS low-light advantage. Thanks for watching. Links to the product can be found in the comments and description. If you have questions or already own it, share your thoughts below. Goodbye for now, and keep your drives autovated, where smart tech meets safer journeys.